Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying Bgmi server status and your region because many disconnects are server-side. Once done, toggle between Wi-Fi and mobile data to isolate ISP problems. Try a different hotspot if possible. Next, force close the game, clear the app cache, and reboot your device to flush transient network states. These first actions remove common client-side causes and give you a clean baseline for deeper troubleshooting, so make sure each step completes before moving on. Now you refine the connection. Change DNS to 8, 8, 8, 8 or 1, 1, 1, 1 because a faster resolver reduces lookup delays and packet loss. Disable any VPN, proxy, or battery saver that may route or throttle game traffic. These introduce latency and packet drops. If problems persist, inspect your router for port blocking. Online games rely on both TCP and UDP flows, so make sure those are allowed. Finally, temporarily connect directly to the modem to rule out router misconfiguration. To finish, if the game still misbehaves, reinstall Bgmi after backing up account links. Corrupted installs cause unexplained disconnects. Once reinstalled, run a ping and trace route to game servers while playing so you can identify consistent hops with packet loss or high latency. If the ISP cannot resolve it, capture logs, timestamps, and any Bgmi error codes. Submit those to game support. One troubleshooting tip. If symptoms return only on one network,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.